Hello, everybody. No real news today. February 19th, 9:18 a.m. I'm a profitable trader. I'm a calm, disciplined man. I believe Jesus Christ will help me. I will never give up on my dreams. I'm a profitable trader. I'm a calm, disciplined man. I believe Jesus Christ will help me. I will never give up on my dreams. What do we see? 4 hour. NQ in this daily. ES also hit the daily. Also, this new week opening gap aligned with OTE of this high time frame bearish range. What about ES? Same thing, just didn't tap the new week, but did tap 0.62 level. We have this order block on the 4 hour aligned with these little new days on both NQES. We go down, we see that both of the levels are tapping into this 4 hour fair value gap. Still not hitting equilibrium of the high time frame bearish range. With tons of sell side liquidity below. We have equal sell side, regular sell side, and more equal sell side below. Right there on the 15-minute. I'll move them a little bit to the right. ES has edged the sell side liquidity. What do I think is going to happen? To me, this looks like a classic Judah swing back up to retrace to this bearish range right here. Tapping into that 4 hour and then pushing back down to hit equilibrium / possibly OTE of the higher time frame. There are no PD arrays in this entire range on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour at all. So really just OTE looks like a decent target with these equal lows being taken. What else? Yeah, ES pretty much same exact thing, except we do have this little new week. Well, they both have a new week, so honestly we could just tap that new week and react off of that. So yeah, but I do believe price is going to push up before that. If we don't, then probably bullish bias, but if we do push up, I'm going to trade short to try and target these lows. Really just need 40 points to pass the account. And one more trading day. So tomorrow, if I pass the account today, I'll just trade one micro tomorrow and call it a day. But yeah, we're gonna see how the market open reacts and try to take a trade off this. So market opened and looks like we ended up making an SMT between these two highs on the 5-minute. This is still consolidation, and I still am expecting price to push up here to then give us an opportunity to push short. But it's gonna be strange, but it could be possible. Obviously, price could end up just pushing down and maybe taking out most of this sell side. So we're gonna have to just be patient because we're in consolidation. There's not much you can really do. We're gonna wait. Alright, so we did end up pushing down and taking out the sell side on ES, tapping into equilibrium in the new week. So I mean, it's not the easiest way to trade, but it still looks like price wants to go down because we still tapped into a daily. So we're gonna see if we can maybe take a trade off of this 2-minute. See if price wants to grant us with an opportunity. Rather take it off the 5-minute, but you really don't know. cobblestone. No, it's cobblestone. Sorry. There's just so many sell side levels, you know? So many sell side levels that it doesn't look like price wouldn't want to go down. So could just wait for this 5 minute to close. Is that really all the levels on ES? I assume we have this as a, oops, this as a level, right? We are at equilibrium, so it's pretty tricky still to see kind of like what price wants to do, right? This 5 minute is closing pretty bearish. Yeah, 5 minute has 30 seconds. It's not the cleanest. But we are tapping this 3 minute. Might just sell right here. I think I'm gonna sell here. This looks kind of clean. Literally just need a 40 point. We're gonna see if this hits. Really just need price to go down. After we tap that 2 minute, I mean, it looks kind of clean. Just to take out this external sell side. But we're literally not even targeting the external. We're just targeting regular, like, trade. But I mean, this could end up fucking us. To me, this look clean though, decently. We're not even targeting that like low, so 44 points is like perfect. Let's see, buddy. I mean, fuck. Price does what it wants, but to me, it looks kind of clean. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damn. We're getting a little bit of reaction. We're gonna just hold it though. Damn, that looked clean as fuck though. See a little bit of a push down. Dang, bro. We could get fucked here. That would suck. Definitely. Shit. That pretty much sucks, bro. Fuck. Ah, that's so annoying. Get that pretty much big ass reversal. I don't know. I'm gonna hold though, because tons of sell side levels below. So damn, we really got edge right there, bro. That sucks, dick. That does actually suck penis, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Just gonna exit out here. Fuck it. We can see if we get another trade. I'd rather not lose on the day though. Any money in general. So I'm just gonna wait. See what the 5 minute does. We did actually just get fucking edge though, which is pretty retarded. But yeah, I mean, ES looks like it's closing bullish anyways, so this could be a reversal up higher for sure. Off of the EQ level. Definitely. We're gonna see if we can take a trade then. Somewhat off of this. We're about to close on the 15 minute as well. ES is about to make a 15 minute market structure shift, so. Shit. Dang. Looks like we're gonna actually go ahead and take those levels then. Could have held on to my trade idea. But dude, I would have gotten fucking edged the fuck out of right there. Just kind of cooked, but I'm not even gonna take anything off this. This looks like consolidation at EQ. I'm gonna update though. So I did have the opportunity to enter here because it does look like price was gonna push bullish from the 15 minute shift on ES. As well as like a 3 minute. We had a perfect 3 minute right here I could have just entered off of. But I didn't. That's fine. We still get a retracement before we take the equal buy side. So, I mean, it's not entirely gone. But we're just going to be patient, see if we can get something out of this. This move, I'm not going to enter now, obviously, because that's stupid, but we're going to see maybe. We have this 3 minute as well, but I'd rather take it on the 2 minute right here. The 2 minute seems like way better RR, so. See if we get a retracement. Just need 40 points, literally, so shouldn't be like crazy. Shouldn't be like flipping crazy, crazy kind of levels, none of that, so whatever. Yeah, it looks like we're just gonna take it then. Just fine. I mean, it's okay. Not that big of a deal. 50 seconds for the 5 minute. See if we get a reaction off that. Let's see. 13 seconds on this 5 minute. Let's watch it. Five-minute close. 3 minute. We get a wick, but I don't know. I'm probably gonna wait for the 5 minute instead. Of course, there's always gonna be the opportunity to trade short up here, so we're not gonna rush ourselves, but I want to see a decent 5 minute, even like a better 2 minute to just go up and take those equal highs. I mean, the equal highs could give us a reaction anyways. It's not like it's not like price is gonna flip and do whatever or like not go inside of that 4 hour, you know? Okay, so we take these equal highs. See if we end up pushing up. Looks like we are gonna push up. Again, I could have just taken that way earlier, just based off ES. But again, I was hesitating. So 10 a.m. is about to close. I'm gonna have this 4 hour fair value gap to fill. I'm gonna update. Right, so this may be stupid, but I'm entering short here because I mean, we tapped off these high time frame PD array levels. Oh, this says long, by the way. This is retarded. Sorry. I'm entering short here. Just because I feel like I understand the bias, right? So I'm just gonna take a trade at what I think the bias is. Obviously could be messed up, but just gonna try. Really only need like 40 points, bro. I'm gonna just go like right here. Fuck it. Negative RR, but like it's not like we're going for profits. We're just trying to pass the account, bro. So to me, this already looks like we're gonna make that shift because look at NQ and ES together. They're sort of just doing the same thing, so. I don't really know how much I need, but it does look like price is gonna. Yeah, we made a shift, so to me, this looks kind of clean to push down. After we tap that 2 hour, like pretty like perfectly. To me, this looks clean as heck. So 3 minute looks good. Everything looks pretty decent. We're just gonna hope and pray to God that we can just get this over with, because I just wanna flipping, get off the charts and just review my back test, eat some food, relax, get ready for the next week. I feel like it's gonna be way harder to trade intraday trailing drawdown because uh, that's just how market is. But the thing is, we should be exiting anyways in profits, but evals, they make you want to not do that because price wants to, you want to pass the account. So, but we're just gonna see prices. Trailing stop loss. I don't think we should go to that anymore. We already tapped off the exact 2 hour order block level. So just gonna be patient. Try to wait as much as I can. So many sell side levels below, so to me it looks like there's an actual reason to go down. Okay. Just got edged again. Which kind of sucks. Brother. Just got edged again. What the heck, bro? That's really annoying. That doesn't even make sense, bro. What the heck? Why did I get edged like twice, dude? What the heck? That's like really stupid. You saw that, right? Like, that's a tick edge. Oh my god, that's really annoying, bro. Like, I don't understand that, to be honest. What the fuck is the difference between equity and account balance? Like, I don't even get that shit. Oh, my equity isn't going up, but my account balance is. Alright. I kind of get it. Brother. What the fuck? I'm $20 away? You fucking kidding me? Are you fucking retarded, bro? Are you fucking stupid, bro? That is retarded. But why do we reverse right at that level, too, though? That's really stupid. Alright, there we go. Alright, well, there we go. Counts passed. A little bit of a tweaker day. Not gonna lie. Price is kind of doing some strange things. Look at this. What are we even doing, bro? We get edged like twice, first of all. I'm gonna put a fucking alert here, bro, because this is weird. We pass it by the grace of God. Literally by the grace of God, we pass this account. I don't even understand why we're pushing up like this. Maybe because of ES? I mean, most likely because of ES. But, like, dang. This trade, we got edged. Right? Because look at this. We got pretty much completely edged. We're not even targeting external sell side. We're literally just targeting regular fucking shit. This trade, we also got edged. We got edged twice, bro. Right here, look at this. Perfect edge. We got edged twice, bro. Like, buddy, come on. And now it looks like we're reversing off of this too. Crazy. Genuinely a little bit crazy. So many sell side levels below. I know we tapped EQ. We already are in this daily fair value gap. A 2-hour aligned with this 15-minute. I mean, quite perfect taps, brother. It's not even about winning so many days. It's about like being correct on the bias as well. And it doesn't look like price is giving us correctness. Just very, very strange. I don't get it at all. Alright, we're getting strong displacement lower. Kind of just want to see if this will actually hit, bro. Because, I mean, come on, dude. Yeah, we made a 15-minute shift, but we already tapped perfectly into this 2-hour and 4-hour and OTE of the bearish range. This looks incredibly bearish, brother. Just want to make sure that this is correct bias so that I can get off the charts and be okay. It looks like we are going to push down. Let's just wait it out.
About why aren't they using certain tactics, why aren't they using this text to desk. I want to show you this one, and there's a Twitch streamer that is watching us and streaming our feed right now. His name is XQC on Twitch, and one of the questions that he is telling viewers to text me and ask, which I've gotten a lot of this, why don't the police shoot the tires? Again, it's only in movies. Only in movies. It's a very common thing that people ask during chases. It's just not something you're gonna see.
Dang, alright, so we're pushing up. We could just be consolidating here.
I will tell you. Okay, I want to address. We've got a lot of questions about why aren't they using certain tactics? Why aren't they using this flip text desk? I want to show you this one, and we actually.
Countries in the Bible and what they are called today. Iran was known in the Bible as Persia. The name was changed in 1935.
Alright, we're pushing down. Which is good. I mean, as expected. Come on. There we go. Great. Beautiful. Alright, so bias is correct. Still got a winning trade. Just a little bit of fuckery right here. Likely to make that 5-minute shift, yeah. So price was just probably making the 5-minute shift. We got edge in the beginning. Smart enough. We switched our bias because we understood that, you know, just because price is going down at the beginning, right? Because I made bro, I gotta chill. I spoke in the beginning, right? If you guys go back in the video, that price would either push up to these levels to then drop back down and take out these external sell side levels. Or we would just take the sell side levels in the open. So those are what I thought. So when price started pushing down, I thought, okay, we're going to go ahead and take all these levels. But instead, price just wanted to retrace the EQ to have enough liquidity to react off EQ and this 4-hour and this new week to then push up to this OTE level with the 4-hour gaps, 4-hour order block levels, and this 2-hour perfectly to then push down. All right. So that's kind of what I messed up in the beginning. That is something I need to take away from today. Last trading day as well. Tomorrow I'm going to trade like 1 micro, whatever. All right, see ya. Also, keep praying. God is good. Thank you.